Hi friends, it's me, Foxy. I'm so happy you're here today. Come on, let's head to school together and learn something fun. Look, dog, park, ball, cat. These are all nouns because they name something. Here's a yummy picture. Who can tell me what this is? That's right, pizza is a noun. You're doing great. Now let's learn pronouns. They take the place of nouns like he, she, and it. Maria likes to read, and we can also say she likes to read. Watch this, Foxy is happy, or we can say he is happy. Sam plays soccer, or we can say he plays soccer. Nice job. Remember, nouns name things and pronouns take their place. You did amazing today. Let's dance and celebrate our great learning.